Is the pullback for Bitcoin over now with the retest of this major support of $10,000, or are we going to break below this support and have the more impulses downside? All of this we are going to be discussing in today's video. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be discussing technical analysis of Bitcoin and all coins like Ethereum, EOS and LINK. So if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and give it a subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And without any further ado, let's get right into our analysis. So let's start here with the Bitcoin chart of 4-hour time frame, and I want to start off with a summarize to summarize what I was talking to you guys in the yesterday's video was that you guys should be cautious trading longs here at this level of $10,500 support. Why? Well, the number one reason for that was the major difference and big difference in the number of shorts and the longs positions open in the market. Okay, we were seeing the shorts position which were much larger in yesterday's video than the long positions. Okay, and as a result all of the bearish momentum was created in the market at this point. Okay, and the second reason was that these kind of impulses are definitely not something you should be trading against. Okay, and what I was waiting for is that at least a retest of this level of $11,100 to be getting in the short positions here. Okay, but it actually never did happen, so I didn't get any sort of short position here or anywhere here. And as a result, what we did see here is the break of this $10,500 level here. Okay, and the break of that $10,500 level took us down to almost $10,000 level here. Okay, which was our major support here, as you guys would see here that this was our resistance for many times here. Okay, and this level is acting now as a support for us. Okay, now what we are seeing here is that this level, which was our support prior, has turned into a resistance for us. Okay, and now what I want to see here is at least a daily candle closure above this level. Okay, if I would switch to the daily chart here, what I want to see here is the daily candle, this candle closing above this level. Okay, and not only this, I want to see some 4-hour candles closing above this level and then retesting this level back, and then I would be looking to get into the long position here at this level. Okay, but just single 4-hour candle closure, I wouldn't really look to get into the long positions here at this level, because if you are going to check the futures market cap here, still we are seeing the big difference in the shorts and the long positions open in the market, especially on the Bitfinex exchange. Okay, you guys can see here that the shorts are 66% of people have opened short positions and only 33% of people are in long positions currently. So there is the bearish momentum, there is a bearish sentiment in the market overall. So I don't really want to be trapped in this fake out or anything like that, and I want to see some bullish momentum before entering into the market, into my long positions. Okay, so talking about the short term, this was all. And if I would switch over to the weekly chart here, so I want to tell you guys that until and unless we are going to break below this level of $10,000, we are still intact in this bull market thing here. Okay, as long as we are closing this weekly candle above this level of $10,000 here, okay, we are good to go upwards and break this level of $12,000. Okay, but if in case we are going to break below this level of $10,000 and close this weekly candle, which will take at least 2 days from now, 2 days and 4 hours to be more specific to close, then I would be looking to get in the short positions at this level of $10,000 and ride the wave down to this next support of $8,941 here, almost $9,000 level here. Okay, but until and unless we are not going to break below this $10,000 level here, we are good to be getting intact into this bull market here. Okay, I don't really mean that we couldn't have even 1 hourly candle closes below this level. We could still have wicks down to this level here. Okay, but the major candle of weekly candles, weekly closure should be above this level of $10,000. Okay, why am I saying that we could have the wicks down to $9,600 level? Well, the reason is that CME chart. If I would show you guys on the daily chart on the CME, we could see that there is a gap in here at this level, okay? And these kind of gaps on the CME charts, if I would show you guys, well, you guys can see here that here, okay, here, okay, and whenever we see these kind of gaps on the CME charts, these kind of gaps are almost filled all the times. You guys can see here, here it was filled, here this was filled, here this gap was filled, okay, and here also it was filled. You guys can see here on the CME chart there, most of the time these kind of gaps are filled, okay? So I'm looking for some kind of retest of this level of $9,600 here. Well, we actually did came down here, but we didn't fill this level, this gap here, because the gap lies at this level of $9,655, as you guys can see here, okay? So now I want to see the wick down to this level of $9,600 level here, because CME traders usually fill the gaps all the time, okay? So even if we are going to have a wick down to this level of $9,600 here, and then close the weekly candle below this, above this level here, we would be intact in this bull trend or bull market, whatever you might want to call it. But in case we are going to be breaking below this level, and in 2 days that weekly candle would be getting close below this level of $10,000 level, that would be some kind of problem for the Bitcoin, and then the Bitcoin would look for the retest of this lower level of $9,000 level here, okay? So for now, what I want to look for here is that to be getting in the trade, I would be looking for some sort of weekly candle, daily candle closing, at least a daily candle closing above this level, and on the lower time frame some sort of bullish candle formations or bullish symmetrical triangle formations, and then break of that triangle would be my long entry triggers. So that's it about Bitcoin. If I would talk about Ethereum, what we did see here is the perfect retest of this level of $376 level, which I was talking to you guys in the yesterday's video, that this could be our long trigger, okay? And I myself got my orders at this level of $376 levels, and currently I'm in a long position here with my stop loss being in a profit already, okay? Because this kind of impulse and the correction here, this kind of impulse and the correction here could also lead us to the next impulse here, okay? But until and unless we are intact in this bull market, okay, and we are above this level of $376 levels, we are good to be going upwards from here, because this is our major support for Ethereum. And if in case we are going to below this major support of $376 level, our next target for Ethereum would be almost this level of $300 to $310 levels here, okay, because we don't really have anything in between here. Okay, so that's all about Ethereum. And if talking about my trades here, well, what I will be looking for here, I will be looking for the retest of this level of $406 here, and at least a 4-hour candle closing above this level here, okay? And then I will be looking for the some sort of bullish sentiment in the market, bullish candlestick patterns or bullish triangles like a symmetrical triangle, and then I will be breaking the the breakout of those bullish thing called symmetrical triangles, okay? So that's about Ethereum as well. If we are going to talk about Link here, what we did see here is the break of this major support of $13.7 here already, and any retest of this level of $13.7 here, and the rejection from here with a bearish price action, I would be looking as a short entry trigger, okay? I would be shorting this level of $13.7 here if this level would be, if the price would be getting rejected from this level here, okay? But if in case price would be able to break and close at least a 4-hour candle above this level of $13.7 level, I would be looking for long positions here and the ride the next wave to almost $16 here, okay? But my priority for Link has changed to bearish, and I would be looking for some sort of rejections and then riding the wave down to this level of almost next support of $9.8 level here, okay? So this is about Link. And if I would go ahead and talk about EOS here, in EOS we are seeing a very different nature here, very volatile nature here, and I'm not looking to get in any position in the EOS currently, because this sort of wave down and impulse up and impulse down are very dangerous for the long as well as for the short. So I don't want to get in any sort of position in the EOS for now. What I would be looking for is this some kind of stable price action, like here we are seeing the stable uptrend here. Then only I would be looking to get in the long positions or the short positions here in the market. Okay, but if I would talk specifically about what could be the entry triggers, well, the break of this level of $3.08 level, which is our resistance for now, could be acting as a long entry trigger. Okay, and the rejection from this level could be acting as a short entry trigger from this level. Okay, and we could, if the price would be getting rejected from this level of $13.08 level, we could ride the wave down to this level of $2.9 in the EOS. Okay, so guys, that's all about EOS as well, and so that's about in this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please give it a thumbs up if it was, and if you guys are interested in getting more of these daily crypto updates, please go ahead and give it a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.